Hey, this is Ryan Gibbons and this is River Edge, and I'm outside Clothesline Cleaners. We're going to take a look inside today. We're going to meet with their general manager, and we're going to learn a little bit more of what they offer. It's probably a lot more than you'd expect. So let's take a look inside and let's see Clothesline Cleaners right here in River Edge. So we are here today at Clothesline in River Edge, and I'm here with Alexander Vasquez, and we're going to learn a little bit about what they offer here for River Edge and our surrounding areas. So Alexander, you want to tell us just a little bit about Clothesline?
100%. No, thank you. So right here we reopened up in December of last year, 2022. The business itself has been here a decade plus. We've had customers who've been here a decade plus. We offer some organic cleaning. We actually just came under new management in December, which has been under the main focus of Paul Imperato and me as the general manager. You'll see other people as Rosalie, as you saw earlier, you met her earlier. We have a lot of great people here just trying to be as family friendly as possible, just focusing on the people, focusing on what we can do for the people. That's why we actually offer our pickup and delivery service, which I do myself.
So just on that note, so you'll pick up an entire load of laundry,
Yep.
You'll bring it here, you'll use your washing machines, you'll wash it, fold it, and then bring that back.
Yep. So I go pick it up myself. Come back. I'll make a nice little receipt, send it over to the client. Once it's ready, I'll give them a call, let them know when it's when are they available for the drop off, and I'll go drop it off myself.
About how long does that take?
Somebody needs to drop off by Friday night. If they drop it off today, by today in the evening around 6, 7, they'll have it. It'll be ready by the time it's the afternoon.
So less than 24 hours.
Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah, that's what we pride ourselves on, that aspect of that. We're quick and quick in and out, boom, get in and out and do what you need to do.
And you do that for dry cleaning as well?
Yes, we do. For the dry clean, it takes a little bit more time processing because I like to be quality based. I don't like to force things in regards to rushing things. If someone needs something rushed, we put every effort that we have to get it to that client as soon as they need it to be. But I like to take my time in regards to making sure that it's quality control, making sure that things are done right and properly. Yeah.
And you mentioned organic cleaning. What is organic cleaning?
Nowadays, everything should be organic, right? There's sometimes where I used to, when I was a little bit younger, my mom would wash with a certain detergent and it would make like some small little rashes maybe along my shoulder. So organic detergent and organic cleaning is more just detergent that's more focused in regards to not causing these little skin outbreaks and stuff like that. It's more soft for your skin.
And I understand you do like large comforters and things like that. You have large washers and dryers, so you can handle like a king size bed comfort.
Yep. Yes, we do. Yeah, that's what when we're getting these new machines, that's something that I pride myself. I wanted to focus on having these household items like these king sizes, these queens that people aren't able to wash in their regular day-to-day washers. So
and I understand you do carpet or rug cleaning or carpet?
Yes. So
area rugs, I guess it is?
Yeah. That's something that we kind of started out more recently. Been testing a lot of different things, so we're doing pretty well with that.
So how do people get in touch with you? Are you on the web? What's your phone number? How do people get in touch with Clothesline?
Well, yeah, so we're on the web. You can find us at clotheslinedcre.com. And our contact number is 201-489-5737. And we're over here located at 55 Kindercomack Road in River Edge.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day and let me see the new facility. The place looks great. And please stop down, shop local, check out Clothesline Cleaners. They have been here for a long time, but it is under new management. And the building looks great. They've got tremendous services that could be a benefit to anyone here in River Edge. So thanks for watching and have a great day.
Thank you so much, guys.